going to build myself a Ford right here. So let me go ahead and get into this right here. I'm going to build my own Ford F-150. I'm going to come over here to build my own Ford. Click on that. All right, so it's bringing me up options to choose from. Let's see, starting at this right here. XLT, do I want the XL? XLT. The Luray comes in at 42,000. I don't want the Luray. Let me get down. I want to get the Raptor. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and build a Raptor. So I'm going to go select on this right here, and I'm going to go ahead and configure this right here. So go ahead and click configure. All right, so I have the option of the Super Cab with a 5.5-foot bed. All right, so let's go ahead and get on this. The exterior, what do I want the exterior to look about? It's going to show me really quick. Let's see. So this is what the exterior of my Ford's going to look like. It's pretty sharp. Pretty sharp. The Raptor. Look at the back. It's a beauty right there. I don't know if I should keep it black or not. Maybe I should turn it and change it to a different color, but we'll see. All right, so let me escape out of this right here. All right, so how to get out of this? Click on this. Go ahead and close this. All right, the exterior. All right, so we're going to change. Do I want the Super Cab? I think the Raptor doesn't look good with the Super Cab or the Super Crew. I'm going to keep it with the Super Cab. The box, there's only one option for that. And coming out $53,000, $455. All right, so I'm going to select that. All right, I'm going to keep that configuration the same for it. It looks a beauty. Look at that. As far as the paint color, some people get red. I'm not really a fan of red cars, especially like when it comes to muscle cars such as a Raptor. Not that big. Black. Black looks cool. Classic lead foot. What does that look like? Lead foot looks pretty cool. Maybe it's almost like a grayish color. Maybe I'll come back to that. The blue. The blue looks cool. Let's see what it looks like around the X outside. All right. Blue looks decent. I'm going to go with the lead foot. It's like a grayish color. That's pretty cool. All right. Looks good. All right. Let's see the inside of it. So it looks pretty nice. Get a 360 view of this. Oh my gosh. Can't wait to get this right here. So it looks nice on the inside right here. Raptor. The seats, it has actually has Raptor on the seats. That is so nice. Inside looks like a cockpit of an airplane or something. Like how the windows stoop down like this. You see how it stoops down a little bit? Like she gives you a little bit more of a, it takes away from the blind spot that the vehicle has being so big. This allows you to see more on the ground and around you. On the back, pretty cool. Cup holster. All right, we're going to get out of here. We're going to get back to the configuration. All right. Well, I didn't check out the magnetic, did I? Let's see the magnetic color, the exterior. Magnetic. That looks pretty cool. Maybe I'll go with the magnetic. Yeah, I'm going to go with the magnetic color over the lead foot color. All right, so that's what the exterior is going to look like right here. All right, so packages. All right, so the base package, standard features, high output 3.5, EcoBoost V6 engine. So if I'm getting the Raptor, I'm not going to stick with the standard feature. You know, if I'm going to go with a Raptor, I'm not going to go for just the looks for the exterior. I'm going to get a muscle Raptor. All right, unique cloth seats, Fox Racing shocks, high performance, all right, pretty yada yada yada, cool. The mid. And then we also have the luxury. I don't know if I'm going to go with the luxury. That's, you know, maybe the mid, because the luxury puts it up an additional $10,000, almost $11,000 for the luxury. So, but let's see what the difference is. So with the mid, it's a 10-way power heated driver in front, power passenger seats. Okay. So that's cool. I mean, heated seats, you know, power, of course, you know, leather trim seats, power adjusted pedals. Cool. I mean, but how often am I going to be adjusting the pedals? to bring them closer or away from me. I mean, no one's driving my vehicle. Power sliding rear window with privacy tent. That could be handy if I want some extra air, but is it worth an extra $4 grand for that? Compared to the base? Yeah, I think so. I mean, if I'm spending this much money, like what's a little bit extra? Now, this is where the dilemma comes in. It has a 4.1 front axle Torsen differential, 10-way power passenger seats. Okay, that has heat with memory, 360-degree camera. Not sure what that is. Is that supposed to be like so I can see outside of the vehicle? Premium Play auto system. That might be a little bit too much. I mean, for me, I'm not, I want a muscle car. I don't want a luxury car per se. So I'm going to go with the mid. All right. I'm going to go with the mid. All right, slap that into place right there. So I went with the mid. What about the exterior packages? All right, it has, so we're almost up to $60,000. It's getting kind of power equipment group. So power and outside. Raptor exterior graphics package for an additional $1,000 where it says Raptor on the outside. Maybe I'll go with that. Get the Raptor on the outside. Let's bring it up. Raptor hood graphics package. Okay, what is that supposed to look like? Tow trailer package, it's included, thank goodness. All right, Raptor carbon fiber package. Raptor interior blue color accent. That looks pretty cool. Let's go ahead and tap that on there. And then net price. All right, yada yada. Let's go ahead and get that. All right, and then the Raptor carbon package. I don't know. All right. So we're at $68,000 for this Raptor. All right, so let's go. We haven't even got to the powertrain exterior or interior or accessories. We're going to get down there. All right, so it comes included with 3.5 EcoBoost, high output engine with auto startup technology. Pretty cool, but we want a little bit more. It has transmission, electric 10-speed. Some people don't like the electric 10-speed automatic these days, but I mean, it's pretty much coming standard. All this is included, so with this package right here for the powertrain. So it has the 10-speed automatic and the 4x4 included, of course. With the Raptor, they should have that included. All right, so let's go down to exterior. It has the die-cast aluminum wheels. You can see right here, they're shiny die-cast, but the forged aluminum, they have a blackish look to it that might make it look a little bit. Let's see what those look like. Whoa. I like the forged aluminum bead lock capable wheel that makes it, it's power right there. It's a powerful look right there. Aluminum cross bed toolbox. Yeah, that looks pretty cool to separate things. Look, what are those couple of kegs right there? A couple of canisters of whatever. Add that onto it. All right. Bed divider. Bed divider, that's the bed divider where it has the kegs in there. Add that too. Why not? Bed liner. Got to have a bed liner. I mean, if you spend any money on a vehicle, get a bed liner, because if you don't, it's going to be scratched up. Unless you just want the vehicle for show. Now, this is something that, they have the tough bed spray-in bed liner versus the plastic drop-in liner. Now, people have been having problems with the plastic drop-in liner as far as water retention underneath the bed liner. It's a tough one, but I'm going to go with the spray one. People don't like that because you can't really take this off, and when it does come off, you just have to get it resprayed on. All right, so I'm going to go with this spray liner. Then the box link included. All right, so thanks. Engine block heater. If you're in cold climates, this might be something that you want. Not in a terribly cold climate, so I'm going to skip on that, save a little bit of money. Foldable pickup box extender. What is this right here? Extend the pickup box. Foldable pickup box bed extender. Sure, why not? All right. And then we're going to come down to What's included? The LED side mirror spotlights. Those are pretty cool. Comes included with this package. Power sliding rear window with privacy glass and defroster included, of course, thanks. Premium aluminum crossbed storage toolbox by WeatherGuard. Sure not, why not? All right, change a little bit. Yeah. Yes. We're gonna scoot on down. Privacy glass included. Remote start, yes. Skid plates, cool. Stow loading ramps, sure, why not? Tailgate, applicate, delete. I don't know what that is. So what does this information say? Doesn't say anything. So I'm not going to get that. Tailgate step. Essential if you have some stuff up getting up there. If you don't want to hop up there, I suggest anyone get the tailgate step. It's a cool feature to have, especially like if you're climbing in and out of the back of the bed. The pickup cover. I'm not going to get this right here. Box cover. Pickup box cover, soft folding. I'm just going to keep it exposed right there. I don't need it to cover it up at all. Manual folding power glass side view mirrors with heat turn signal. I'm going to get the power side view manual folding mirrors, power glass with black skull caps. Going to get that. Moving down, side view power folding power glass mirrors, heated turn signal. All this stuff right here. Sure, why not? All right, we're gonna get back down here, and all of this. And so now we're gonna get to the interior of this leather seating surface. That's included. Thank you. The blue console, like, yeah, add that to it. Look at the blue. It looks really nice to go along with the color that I have. You need cloth. We're not going to get the cloth to keep the power included. 360-degree camera. You can see all around the vehicle right here. That's good for safety. Adaptive cruise control with stop and go included. Blind spot information system with cross traffic alert and trailer coverage. It's a nice feature to have. Color coordinated carpet. It's included, with the package. I have cruise control. Actually, take that off because it's already. All right, so the cruise control, dual zone electronic automatic temperature, connect with 4G Wi-Fi modem included. That's awesome. Heated steering wheel, integrated trailer brake controller included. Pro trailer backup assist, nice. Rear view camera with dynamic hitch assist. Actually, take that off. No. I'm going to go with the package I have. All this right here, single zone manual air conditioning. No. Smoker prop, don't smoke. Included. Series radio, got to have series radio in there. Can we tune it out? Actually comes with it. What am I doing? So I'm just going to go ahead and zoom through here and let's see how much it is. All right, summary. So this is what I have. I'm coming up to about $73,250. Monthly payment. Wow, that's a hefty monthly payment. Window shopping, I guess. All right. Pretty cool. Let me go ahead and drive it. All right, so that's my F-150. All right, I'm just going to fill out the information and get this sent to me. All right, thanks a lot for watching. All right, see you next time.